Most people think survival gardening is complicated, expensive, or only for hardcore homesteaders living completely off-grid. But the truth is, some of the best survival crops in the world are shockingly easy to grow. In fact, many of them can survive neglect, poor soil, inconsistent weather, and beginner mistakes that would kill other plants almost instantly. And right now, with food prices rising, grocery shelves becoming unpredictable, and more people wanting control over their own food supply, these crops matter more than ever. Because a true survival crop isn't just about staying alive. It's about growing foods that are reliable, productive, calorie-dense, easy to store, and capable of feeding you for months with surprisingly little effort. Some of the crops in this video can produce massive harvests in tiny spaces. Others can stay in storage for months after harvest. And a few are so resilient, gardeners have relied on them for generations during difficult times. So in this video, we're counting down 10 easy survival crops that almost anyone can grow, even beginners. And trust me, some of these plants are far more valuable than most people realize, especially the final crops on this list. Let's begin. Survival crop number 1, potatoes. If there's one crop that truly deserves survival crop status, it's potatoes. Potatoes are incredibly productive for the amount of space they use. A single potato planted in the ground can multiply into an entire cluster underground, producing pounds of food from one simple starter potato. And one reason potatoes became so important throughout history is because they're filling, very filling. They provide calories, carbohydrates, nutrients, and energy, exactly the kind of food people depend on during difficult times. Another major advantage is adaptability. Potatoes can grow in garden beds, containers, grow bags, buckets, and even piles of soil or straw. You don't need perfect conditions to succeed. And once the plants begin growing, they move surprisingly fast. But here's a huge mistake beginners make. They expose developing potatoes to sunlight. When potatoes become exposed above the soil, they turn green and can become toxic. That's why gardeners hill soil around the plants as they grow. More soil coverage also encourages additional potato production underground. And one of the most satisfying moments in gardening is harvesting potatoes. Because unlike many crops, you can't fully see the reward until harvest day arrives. Then suddenly, you're digging underground treasure straight out of the soil. Survival crop number 2, sweet potatoes. Sweet potatoes are one of the easiest survival crops for warm climates. These plants thrive in heat, tolerate difficult conditions surprisingly well, and produce large amounts of calorie-rich food underground. But what makes sweet potatoes especially valuable is that they're incredibly forgiving. Once established, their vines spread aggressively across the soil, helping suppress weeds naturally. And unlike some crops that constantly demand attention, sweet potatoes often continue growing quietly with minimal care. Another huge benefit is storage. Properly cured sweet potatoes can last for months after harvest. That means your garden continues feeding you long after the growing season ends. One thing beginners often misunderstand is how much space sweet potatoes eventually need. At first, the plants seem small and manageable. Then suddenly, vines begin spreading everywhere. And underneath all that growth, large sweet potatoes slowly begin forming underground. They require patience, but the payoff is enormous, especially for anyone interested in food security or self-sufficiency. Survival crop number 3, beans. Beans might be one of the most underrated survival foods on Earth. They're easy to grow, highly productive, rich in protein, and incredibly easy to store once dried. That combination alone makes them extremely valuable. Because many survival gardens focus heavily on vegetables, but protein crops matter too. And beans solve that problem beautifully. There are bush beans, which stay compact and mature quickly, and pole beans, which climb vertically and can continue producing for much longer periods. One of the best things about beans is how quickly they make gardeners feel successful. Warm soil triggers rapid germination, and within weeks, plants begin racing upward. Another fascinating thing about beans is that they actually improve soil health by fixing nitrogen into the ground. So they're feeding both you and the garden itself. And if you allow some pods to fully mature and dry, you suddenly have shelf-stable food that can last an incredibly long time. That's exactly why beans have remained survival staples across generations and cultures around the world. Survival crop number 4, corn. Corn is one of the classic survival crops for a reason. It grows quickly, produces heavily, and stores extremely well when dried properly. Historically, entire civilizations depended on corn as a foundational food source. And even today, it remains one of the most productive calorie-producing crops for home gardeners. But corn has a few secrets many beginners don't realize. First, corn is wind-pollinated. That means planting long single rows often leads to poor pollination and partially filled ears. Blocks or clusters work much better. Another important factor is soil fertility. Corn is a heavy feeder. It grows rapidly and demands nutrients consistently throughout the season. But once healthy corn plants take off, the transformation feels dramatic. Tiny seedlings suddenly become towering walls of green within weeks. And few gardening experiences feel more rewarding than harvesting fresh ears of corn during summer, especially when you grew them yourself from seed. Survival crop number 5, zucchini. Zucchini earns its survival crop status for one simple reason: productivity. These plants can produce an unbelievable amount of food from very little space. In fact, one healthy zucchini plant can sometimes overwhelm an entire household with harvests. And once warm weather arrives, zucchini grows aggressively fast. But here's the key: harvesting regularly matters. Young zucchini are more tender, more flavorful, and keeping fruits picked encourages the plant to continue producing heavily. If oversized fruits remain too long on the plant, production slows dramatically. Another major advantage of zucchini is versatility. It can be grilled, baked, fried, roasted, shredded into bread, added to soups, or preserved for later use. And because the plants mature relatively quickly, they provide food sooner than many longer season crops. That's extremely valuable in survival gardening. Fast food production means faster food security. And we're only halfway through this list, because the next 5 crops include some of the most resilient, low-maintenance, and dependable food plants you can possibly grow. Some survive drought surprisingly well. Some produce food for months continuously, and others can remain useful even when many traditional crops struggle. So let's continue. Survival crop number 6, kale. Kale is one of the toughest leafy greens you can grow. Heat, cold, neglect, changing weather. Kale handles far more abuse than most vegetables. And unlike crops that provide one single harvest, kale keeps producing continuously. You harvest leaves, and the plant keeps growing more. That repeated production makes it incredibly valuable. Another huge advantage is nutrition. Kale is packed with vitamins, minerals, and nutrients many survival gardens desperately need. And surprisingly, cold weather often improves kale flavor instead of harming it. Some gardeners even say frost makes kale sweeter. It's also one of the easiest crops for beginners because it germinates reliably and grows aggressively once established. A healthy kale plant can feed you repeatedly for months. That's exactly the kind of reliability survival gardeners look for. Survival crop number 7, carrots. Carrots are one of the best long-term storage crops you can grow. They recompact, productive, nutritious, and capable of lasting surprisingly long after harvest when stored properly. But carrots teach patience. Early growth above the soil often looks unimpressive. Meanwhile, underground, the real development is happening slowly and quietly. Loose soil matters tremendously for carrots. Hard compacted soil often causes twisted, forked, or stunted roots. But when conditions are right, carrots become one of the most satisfying crops to harvest. Because every pull from the ground feels like uncovering hidden food reserves. And beyond storage ability, carrots are incredibly versatile in the kitchen. Soups, roasting, fresh eating, stews, preservation, they fit almost everything. That versatility makes them extremely practical survival crops. Survival crop number 8, garlic. Garlic might be one of the smartest crops any survival gardener can grow. It requires surprisingly little space, stores incredibly well, and provides huge culinary value from small harvests. And unlike many vegetables that demand constant attention, garlic is relatively low maintenance once planted. Another reason garlic is so valuable is flavor power. Even small amounts can transform simple survival meals into something far more enjoyable. And morale matters more than people realize during difficult times. Good flavor matters. Garlic also has a long history connected to traditional medicine and preservation practices throughout many cultures. And once harvested and cured properly, garlic bulbs can remain usable for months. That kind of shelf life makes garlic incredibly practical for self-sufficient gardening. Survival crop number 9, onions. Onions are one of the foundational crops of survival gardening because they combine productivity, storage ability, flavor, and versatility all in one plant. You can use onions in almost everything: soups, stews, roasted meals, rice dishes, preserved foods, fresh cooking, and once cured properly, onions can store for incredibly long periods. Another advantage is flexibility. Gardeners can grow onions from seeds, sets, or transplants depending on their climate and goals. And while onions may not look dramatic during growth, their long-term usefulness is enormous. Many experienced gardeners consider onions non-negotiable survival crops for exactly that reason. Survival crop number 10, winter squash. And finally, winter squash, one of the ultimate long-storage survival crops. Winter squash varieties like butternut squash and pumpkins produce large calorie-rich fruits capable of lasting for months after harvest, sometimes even deep into winter. That storage ability alone makes them incredibly valuable. But there's another reason survival gardeners love them. They produce heavily, very heavily. A healthy squash vine can generate huge amounts of food from a single growing season. And once mature, their thick outer skins naturally protect the fruits during storage. Another huge advantage is versatility. Winter squash can be roasted, mashed, added to soups, baked, or preserved in multiple ways. And visually, few gardening moments feel more rewarding than seeing giant squash fruits developing across the garden, because they represent security, stored food, future meals, and independence. So those are 10 easy survival crops that can help create a more productive, resilient, and self-sufficient garden. And the truth is, survival gardening isn't about fear. It's about preparation. It's about learning skills that give you more control over your food, your health, and your future. Because once you experience harvesting real food from your own garden, something changes. You stop seeing gardening as just a hobby and start seeing it as one of the most valuable skills a person can have. If you enjoyed this video, Make sure to like, subscribe, and turn on notifications for more gardening and self-sufficiency content. And in the comments below, which survival crop would you grow first? Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.